Recently, my friend, a big fan of American football, asked me to help him create a mobile app where he could see how many days are left until the Super Bowl. I thought this would be a great opportunity to demonstrate how to create an app with a countdown to any event. It doesn't have to be just the Super Bowl. It could be New Year's, a birthday, or any other event. But what's even more important is that since Appery creates hybrid applications, you can use absolutely any JavaScript library in the app. No other programming language has as many beautiful and well-tested libraries and components as JavaScript. Let's create a new application. The app will be very simple, just one screen. We change the title. We don't need a footer, so we simply delete it. The easiest way to make an app visually appealing is by adding an image. Let's set the width of our image to 100%. To select an image, click this button. Then choose a suitable image and use it in the app. Next, we need to add a countdown timer that will display the days, hours, minutes, and seconds until the Super Bowl begins. The second goal of this app was to show how to use third-party HTML and JavaScript code in Appery. There is a great resource called CodePen. Here you can find thousands of excellent JavaScript and HTML examples that can be embedded into your application. Let's search for examples using the keyword flipdown. A few results appeared. The first one doesn't seem suitable, but the second one looks perfect. Let's open it. As we can see, this is exactly what we need. To add this component to our app, let's click the Get Started button. This takes us to the developer's website. The installation is quite simple. Add the CSS and JavaScript library. Insert the HTML code. Add the necessary JavaScript code. First, go to the CSS section. Copy the styles. Create a CSS file in Appery. Paste the copied CSS. Next, we need to copy the JavaScript as well. Create a TypeScript file. It's very important to select external JavaScript. Paste the JavaScript code there. Now we need to add a div element to the page. It should have an ID attribute set to flipdown and a class with the same name. The element is not centered. Let's fix that. Finally, we need to call the JavaScript function. We'll do this when the page is created. Go to the Code tab. Open the Functions section. Click the None in it link. This adds a method with the same name, which will be executed when the page loads. Paste the necessary code inside it. We see an error message. To fix it, add the window keyword. We're almost done. The last step is to specify the event time for the countdown. To do this, let's write the following code. We'll use Appery's built-in moment.js library. As a parameter, we pass the date and time of the Super Bowl kickoff. Since the component expects a timestamp in seconds, we also call the Unix method. The app is ready. Let's test it. Click Test. Wait a few seconds. We can see how much time is left until the Super Bowl. Now for the exciting part, let's turn this into a mobile app that can be published on Google Play or the App Store or shared with friends. And it's very simple to do. Go to Export and select either iOS or Android. Let's choose Android. Wait a couple of minutes and our app is ready. Now you can see my phone on the screen. To install the app, simply scan this QR code. Find a QR scanner. Scan the code on your phone. Download application, install, and open it. Now, right inside our app, we can see how much time is left until the Super Bowl. If you don't want to manually add CSS and JavaScript, there's an easier way. You can create a new app and add the Flipdown plugin from the plugin list. This plugin already includes all the necessary CSS, JavaScript, and a sample page. All you need to do is specify the event date, update the routing, and that's it. Let's do one final check. As you can see, using third-party HTML and JavaScript components in Appery is quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you, everyone.